Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to teach you how to check goodness of fit of your model by using Stata. So first of all, open your data in Excel file. So this is my data. I have opened it in the Excel file. Now this data is coded. So I have coded all of the data. So after coding the data, save this Excel file and open this Excel file in SPSS. Now just open SPSS and then open that Excel file in SPSS. So in order to open that file, just click on the top left corner and open new data, uh, open new data. By selecting all files, you have the option to open Excel file in SPSS. So just open and uh, and now you have opened that Excel file in SPSS. Here, if you go to the variable view, you can see that I have named every item of every variable. This is an important step as it will be beneficial for your analysis. So you have to name it during the coding process in your Excel file. After opening your Excel file in SPSS, save this SPSS file. Save this file as an Save this file as an Stata version 12. Uh, Saving that file in an Stata format, it will be represented like this. You can see that. Uh, in order to open it in Stata, yeah, first of all, open Stata app. So this is Stata. Then on the top left corner, there is a file button. Click it. Then open, open, uh, and click this file. So now that file is open in Stata. You can see it here. So after opening it in Stata, you can see at the top bar, there is an option of statistics. So click it and at the almost bottom, as you can see SEM, structural equation and modeling. So if you put your cursor on it, more options will come and click on that top right option, model building and estimation. So this graph will open. So first of all, make this graph look better and by a little bit of formatting. So the zoom should be 50 and adjust canvas size. This one right here. That first one should be 16 and second one should also be 16. And everything will be very much visible. If you want to use this app in a very simple way or only to check the goodness of fit of your model, click on this icon, this icon, and then click on that graph, anywhere on that graph. Then this page will open, and in this measurement variable section, select all the items of your specific variable. So like insomnia is one of my variable. So IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4, IN5, IN6, and IN7. By clicking all this, just click OK. So your L1 variable will cover all of your items of your one specific variable. Then click again anywhere on this graph, and then another page will open. It will be your L2 variables. So then select all the items of your other variables. So like this, and then you can just click it and drag it anywhere you want. So like this, you will have to create all of your variables. So just click again and place all of your variables on your graph. So I only had three variables. So if I want to check my goodness of it, I have to draw covariance between them. So in order to draw the covariance, click this double headed arrow. It will say add covariance. See. So click this arrow and then click on that on this oval type circle thing on your L1 variable and click it and then drag your mouse to the other variable and then release. A covariance will be drawn between L1 and L2 variable. Then click it again and put it and place it on that other side. Drag that mouse and place it on the top of the other L2 variable. So another covariance will be drawn between them and then draw another covariance between them. So the more amount of variables you will have, the more covariance you can draw. I have also created a very complicated model which have six variables. Procedure is same. You will just have to select all of the items of the variable and just place it on this and just place it on this graph. And now we have six variables L2, L1, L2, L3, and then L6 to L6. So in order to draw covariance between them, just from L1 to L2, it is my personal and very easy method. It is just simple math. Now you will just have to draw from first of all, just draw from L1 to L2, then L1 to L3, then L1 to L4, and L1 to L5, L1 to L6. Now from Now, when covariance between L1 to all of the other L variables are drawn, then draw from L2 to L3, L2 to L4, L2 to L5, and then L2 to L6. Now, after L2, L3, L3 to L4, L3 to L5, L3 to L6. Similarly with L4 and L5 and then L6. We don't need to draw from L6. So now I have drawn from L1 to L2, then L1 to L3, L1 to L4, L1 to L5, L1 to L6. Now, when you have drawn all the covariance from L1 to all other variables, now from L2 to L3, L2 and then forward. L2 and then forward. L2 and then forward. If you have already drawn a covariance between two variables, and if you try to draw it again, then it will then the software will not allow you to draw it. Like I have drawn the covariance from L2 to L3. If I draw it again, then covariance already exists. It will not let you draw. So after drawing all of the covariance, just click on this icon on the right side. This icon, estimate icon, and just click it, and at the top it will already be selected maximum likelihood, and then press OK, and just wait for the results here. So these are your general estimates. these are your general estimates for all of your items individually. So after these general estimates, go back to this graph and then click estimate, testing goodness of it, overall goodness of it. Goodness of it will already be selected, and beneath it, click it and press all of the above. So press OK, and here are your results. These results will tell you the goodness of fit of your model, if your model is fit for analysis or not. So in order to do this analysis, this goodness of fit analysis, you have to uh, click on this button, this estimate button, and find the general estimate. You have to find the maximum likelihood in order to test the goodness of fit of the model. So it is a necessary step in order to do that. In order to do that. So this is how you find the goodness of fit of your model, and that's it. Hope you understand, and I will see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.